In this episode, a sharp-tongued parrot hosts a pet council, while a distracted bulldog and a sassy tabby trade daily feats. The parrot critiques humans for stealing the remote, while the bulldog reveals his heroic quest to locate a snack stash under couch cushions. The cat chimes in with a dry jab about humans' doors that insist on staying closed, no matter the dramatic begging. Their banter spirals into a playful plan to recruit a chirpy blue jay as the official rumor checker of the living room. By the end, the crew crowns mischief as sport and leaves viewers chuckling at how human habits look through pet eyes.